Consumer choice is really about consumer power, and consumer power is a good thing. It's a very good thing. To your point, it's a challenge, but it's more of an opportunity, and it forces us to do better work. When there's no consumer choice, advertisers and agencies can be lazy. They're just delivering ads to whomever, and you have to enjoy them, ideally, but you have to consume them no matter what. When there's consumer power, it means that we have to be more, to use the term I hate, choiceful about when and where and what ads we show. And the only way to do that is to take information that we know about people and deliver them a better ad experience. Because that's the expectation. Expectation of the user is not that I might or might not see an ad that's relevant. It's that I will see an ad that's relevant. And if they don't see that, at best they'll ignore you, and at worst they'll be annoyed by you. So I'm excited about the world of consumer choice. It's a digital world. It's one that I'm very familiar with. And now that I have a larger, more expanded role in all investment, I'm excited about the developments in things like TV and even print that let us deliver on that expectation. Lowering the ad load is a heavy topic. I'm glad that we're testing it out. I think that the concept that more content, fewer ads is probably a better user experience. The question is, how much better a user experience is that? And will that change the way that people actually watch TV? Will they even notice? There's a lot of discussion here about, we're going to have one fewer pod in an hour-long show. I'd be curious to see if a person watching that show, if they're even aware of that. And if so, are they more likely to watch the show? Are they more likely to watch shows on that network? Is this going to be almost like a fluoride in the water type of experiment where we just do it and see what happens, and if it works out, then we trumpet it from the hilltops that we did this? As an advertiser, as an agency, it's a little bit hard to get excited about doing less of what our livelihood is. But if doing less means that people are more responsive and they like it more, then I think that that's a trade-off that we're willing to test. This is the Festival of Creativity, and we are a media agency, so where does that fit? The nice thing is that much of creativity is happening in the media space. I would argue that the majority of creativity is happening in the media space. In fact, you'll see a lot of creative agencies, or most of the media submissions are from creative agencies. So I think our clients are looking for new ways to engage with customers, and potential customers, like they always have. This is the place where it starts. Who's doing it best? How can we take that best-in-class work and apply it to our own objectives and needs that has our brand essence to it? It is early days. I'm not sure what the narrative is going to be here. For the first 24 hours, it's just sit back and listen, try to be part of that conversation, and then check back with me in a couple of days, and I'll tell you what's happening.